Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry sauce using an easy method. Let's start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of a sweetener like honey or brown sugar, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. These 3 components form the foundation of a delicious and versatile sauce. This simple combination ensures a perfect balance of savory, sweet, and nutty flavors, making your stir-fry truly shine. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile with some aromatic additions. Freshly minced garlic and grated ginger are key here. Aim for about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. These ingredients infuse the sauce with a vibrant, zesty character that complements any stir-fry. They provide a wonderful depth and a fragrant aroma, transforming your simple sauce into something truly special and irresistible. To achieve that perfect, glossy consistency, we'll use a cornstarch slurry. Combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, mixing until it's completely smooth. This slurry is crucial for thickening your sauce as it cooks, ensuring it coats your ingredients beautifully. It prevents the sauce from being too watery and helps it cling to every piece of your stir-fry, enhancing both texture and flavor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour all your measured ingredients into a small bowl, including the soy sauce, sweetener, sesame oil, aromatics, and cornstarch slurry. Whisk vigorously until everything is well combined and smooth. Now, taste your creation and feel free to customize. You might add a dash of rice vinegar for a tangy kick or a pinch of chili flakes for some heat. This allows you to tailor the sauce perfectly to your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.